Ever gaze in awe at a beautifully shaped tree and wonder how it got that way? It's not magic, but rather the art of pruning. This technique is a blend of science and aesthetics, giving trees their stunning forms. Well, wonder no more. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of tree shaping through pruning. First, let's get acquainted with the tools involved. The fundamental trio for pruning are pruning shears for smaller branches, loppers for those a bit larger, and pruning saws for the real thick ones. Now that we know our tools, it's time to start the pruning process. Pruning isn't just about cutting off branches. It's a careful process. It's a craft that involves meticulous planning and execution. Often the ideal time to prune is late winter or early spring, when trees are dormant. This is when their wounds heal fastest, ensuring minimal stress and maximum growth come springtime. Now let's delve into the steps. The first step is to identify which branches need to go. Look for the dead or diseased ones, as these can hinder the overall health and aesthetics of the tree. Once you've determined the branches to be pruned, it's time to make the cut. Remember, precision is key when cutting. Ensure to make the cut at the right place and angle, typically just above a bud or side branch. This promotes healthy regrowth. Finally, avoid over-pruning. A common rule of thumb is never to remove more than a quarter of a tree's crown in a season. And voila! With time and a bit of patience, your tree can be shaped to your liking. So that's the secret behind the art of pruning. It's all about the right tools, the correct techniques, and a touch of patience. Remember, proper pruning leads to healthier, more robust trees and contributes to a more aesthetically pleasing landscape. It's an art form that marries science and nature, and the result is truly rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more gardening tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy gardening!